Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20938. Very nice SKYJACK SJIII-3219. This unit will do 19 feet worth of platform height and about 25 feet of working height. 500 pound capacity. David's going to take it up for us real fast. This is a slab style, therefore only strict to smooth surfaces. 32 inches wide. It's a 24 volt system. Oh, even higher. As you can see, very tall up in the sky. You can get a lot of work done. It's ready for work. You can come check out this forklift in Denver or either in Fort Collins or online at betterforklift.com. Brand new paint job as well, reconditioned, DM service, ready for work. Thank you much for watching.